Hi guys, my name is Uday Chima and welcome to my channel Beard Pan Fry. If you're new to this channel, please go subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I upload more such videos. So in today's video, I'm going to share a recipe which I really love. But back in college days, I would go to this restaurant called Mainland China. It used to be a bit expensive at that time because back then we obviously used to live off very limited pocket money. And this was the only vegetarian dish in my life on which I've happily spent money. Otherwise, I'm very skeptical about ordering a veg item. But this item I really loved because it used to taste so good. It's basically crackling spinach from mainland China. So after moving back from Pune, I tried making this dish at home a couple of times and it turned out really nice. So I thought I'll share the recipe with you as well. And the best part is it not only tastes good, it looks amazing. It's one very presentable dish. And it takes barely 12 to 15 minutes to make. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe and let me show you what ingredients are involved.
For this recipe, we need 45 to 50 spinach leaves, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon sugar, oil for deep frying, salt and pepper. Wash the spinach leaves and pat them dry. If the leaves are damp, it will clump together when corn flour is added and your crackling spinach will be greasy. Take 8 to 10 leaves at a time and lay one over the other, roll and chop into fine strips. Do this with all the leaves and then separate the spinach strips with your fingers. Now sprinkle some salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon corn flour over the spinach and toss well so that the spinach is evenly and well coated. Make sure the spinach is well separated and not clumped together. Now heat the oil in a deep bottom pan. Fry the spinach in about 4 or 5 batches. When the oil is about smoking hot, drop the coated spinach and fry till crisp. But make sure it doesn't get brown. This should not take you more than 2 to 3 minutes to fry one batch. Make sure you stir the spinach properly while frying so that it gets cooked evenly and doesn't clump together. Now we will drain out the spinach in a paper towel. The next step is an optional step. If you love fried garlic like I do, then only add garlic, otherwise you can skip this step. We'll chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, sprinkle some salt and pepper on it and fry it in the same oil. Once the garlic turns golden brown, we'll take it out and sprinkle it over our fried spinach. Now it's time for us to assemble our dish. For that, we will take 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and grind them together using a pestle and a mortar. Don't have to grind it completely. If you don't have chili flakes at home, then you can grind some dry red chilies using a grinder like I did. I feel homemade fresh chili flakes always taste better than the packaged ones. While the spinach is still hot, on it we will sprinkle this mixture along with 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds. We will toss everything lightly to mix it well. Before frying the spinach, make sure you keep all the ingredients ready so that you could serve this dish immediately. Just look how amazing it looks. And trust me, it tastes delicious. People who don't like spinach will also love it. I hope you like the recipe and I hope you do try it at home. Do let me know in comment section how it turned out for you. And do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll be back with more such videos. Until next time, take care.